Have you ever wondered how a simple apple could spark a war? In ancient mythology, the tale of Eris, the goddess of strife and discord, reveals a riveting drama that unfolded at the wedding of Peleus and Thetis. All the gods were invited, except Eris, who felt slighted. In a fit of rage, she crafted a golden apple inscribed with the words, "To the fairest." She tossed it into the midst of the banquet, igniting a fierce rivalry among Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite. Each goddess claimed the apple, leading to a competition that would change history forever. To settle the dispute, they asked Paris, a mortal prince, to judge. Each goddess offered him bribes. Hera promised power, Athena promised wisdom, and Aphrodite offered love. Paris, swayed by desire, awarded the apple to Aphrodite, setting off a chain of events that led to the legendary Trojan War. Betrayal and heartbreak followed, revealing how a single act of malice can have catastrophic consequences. Thus, Eris's curse lingered on, reminding us that discord can emerge from even the most innocent beginnings, forever altering the fates of gods and men alike.